225 factory horsepower, 2-inch tall tires with 4 carbon fiber race seats.
We are back with Burro Builds episode 5, coming from the Sand Sports Super Show. This week we have Robby Gordon debuting a brand new side-by-side built by him. I'm gonna let him tell you about it because it's got some surprises.
Hey, I'm Robby Gordon, and we're gonna do a Burro build walking around the XXXX SpeedUTV. This is a turbocharged 2-cylinder engine. It has a high and low gearbox, riding on 32-inch tall tires with 4 carbon fiber race seats. This is a vehicle that we introduced at Sand Sports 2019, and it's obviously a roomy, very cool dune buggy, 4-seat pre-runner, turbocharged. It's going to come with 225 factory horsepower, 4-wheel drive, locking front diff, 4-wheel disc brakes, proper 1.75-inch 120 wall roll cage, roof, as I said, the carbon seats, back doors, plenty of room to get in, suicide back door swinging, full 33-inch spare capability in the bed, so you can drop a 33-inch tire in the bed. This is going to come as a 77-inch wide, 22 inches of wheel travel. What I feel is what a UTV, or the future of UTV, should look like. It's got our patented trailing arms, offset front suspension, removable front clip, pretty much everything that I intended for a proper off-road vehicle to be. And we're excited to announce SpeedUTV. For more information about SpeedUTV, you can go to the Instagram at SpeedUTV or SpeedUTV.com. We opened it up for pre-orders for 2021 models. Sold 114 of them in 48 hours, so really stoked about that. And we're only going to build 250 in model year 2020 that will be from October to December of 2020.
And as far as racing goes, if somebody wanted from as is, what would they need? Or
well, you know, these cars have been my cages have been legal, score legal on the XX, and I intend for this car to be race legal as well. But this is not only a race car. This is a play car that is built like a race car that you can actually just go out and jump and beat and pre-run and put thousands of miles on.